Fire, fire.
NigelOK.com.
Dance, make a dance. Give me love, make a love. There's no other one above.
Damn fresh.
Yeah, big. Talk your shit.
Partner, let me upgrade you.
Hola chicas, bienvenidos una vez más al canal, soy Beauty LB. Si es la primera vez que te paras en un tutorial mío, muchísimas gracias por haberte parado. No te olvides en suscribirte y si ya formas parte de mi canal, muchísimas gracias una vez más por estar aquí. En el tutorial de hoy hay un pequeño problema que voy a estar haciendo un reto y este reto es en inglés, ¿vale? Sí, en inglés. Es muy difícil explicar un tutorial en el idioma que no hablas, pero bueno, nada es imposible en esta vida. Así que mis chicas, espero que disfrutéis de este tutorial. No os olvidéis en dar este video muchos likes y nos vemos hasta la próxima. Bye. Hi guys. Okay, first what I'm going to do is to fill out my brow, and I'm going to be use the NYX eyebrow in the shade dark brown. Is this pen right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but is that what I will be using today. When I'm done with my brows, what I'm going to do is to clean up my brows with the Studio Finish Concealer by MAC in the shade NW35. When I'm done with that, what I'm going to do is to blend all this concealer down because we don't want this brow like this. So I'm going to take my concealer brush, blending brush. It's by Real Technique, and I'm going to blend all this out. Next, I'm going to be take my soft ochre long wear concealer, and I will press that into my lid. That will act as a eyeshadow base. After done with that, as you can see guys, I can't look upward because otherwise my lid will be creased because I'm extremely hooded eyes. So what I'm going to do first is set all that and paint point. After prime my eyes, what I'm going to do is today I'm going to be use this palette. It's by Kiko Milano. Look like this. And I will go with this shade right here with the Morphe E27 brush, and this will act as my transition shade. And I'm going to put this color right into my crease and blend it out. After done with that, what I'm going to do is to take this color right here with my Morphe M441. I'm going to put that color right below that first transition shade. I'm going to go back with my transition brush, and what I need to do is to blend all the edges so I will not have any harsh line. If you feel that the shade you applied right into the crease, this shade right here lost, what you can do is to go back and intensify that color. what I will do next is get this color right here and apply that shade in the outer V of my eyes. Go back with the brush, I applied the second color and blend it out. Now I'm done with that shadows, what I'm going to be doing next is take my Mix It Medio by MAC. I'm going to take this Jacqueline Hill palette and I'm going to take this pinky color right here. Now I'm going back with that same shade and I'm going to blend that edges. Next I'm going to take the Ingles jet liner in the shade 77 with my Sigma E10 brush. I'm going to line my wing. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I applied some falsies, I put on some contact lens. When I done my eyes, you guys see me, I'm very concentrated about what I'm doing, but because I don't want to mess up what I'm trying to do. But now the first area is more easy, so I'm going to explain everything I will be using here. Remember guys, everything I'm going to use I will list it in the description bar below, so you can take it if you need any product. So today I'm going to moisturize my face with this Clinique moisturizer and it's very good. I'm very dry skin, very dry skin, so even if you are not dry skin, you have to moisturize. Next I'm going to take this Benefit and primer to prime my face, so this will help me to close up all my pores and make my foundation stay longer. So you need to prime first before applying your foundation. When I finish with prime my face, what I'm going to do is take this palette, is Morphe Concealer palette in dark. I will contour my face area first before applying my foundation. I found it more helpful, so just look what I'm doing. Now I'm going to take my foundation and I will be using this Studio Fix Fluid by MAC in the shade NC50. Now I'm going to take this Real Technique and Instant Pop Thick brush. I'm going to wet it with Fix Plus and blend my foundation. I decided to use my beauty blender because this foundation dry really fast and I need to work it very fast, so I will change and grab my beauty blender. I have to say that this is white beauty blender. After done with that, I'm going to blend my contour with this brush. It's a set brush, so After done with that, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12, but I'm going to mix it with my Maybelline Fit Me 45 concealer. When I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm going to set all that concealer. Now I'm going to take this Dark Deepest by MAC and I'm going to set my contour areas. After that, I'm going to take a fluffy baked powder blush and I'm going to buff out all the excess powder I applied. After that, I'm going to take this e.l.f. palette brush. I'm going to be using this shade right here and I will be applying with a Real Technique brush. I'm done with that. Now I'm going to highlight the important area of my face. As you guys know, it's very important to highlight, so I'm going to highlight under my brow bone. Now I'm going to take the Soft and Dent tool by MAC. I'm going to highlight my face. It's the same highlight I use under my brow, so I'm going to highlight my forehead, my cheeks, my temples, the bridge of my nose, my cupid bones, and yeah. So girls, this is a lot of highlight, so I don't need that. I'm going to take my brush and just kind of take it some excess. You see that? Yes, just lightly. Now I'm going to take this palette and I'm going to add the same shadow I applied on my eyes and I'm going to put it on my low water line. Now I'm going to take my Benefit mascara. I'm going to put it on my low lashes. Now next I'm going to take this lip brown pencil and I'm going to line my lip to give it kind of dimension. And I'm going to be use this MAC lipstick. And then I'm going to apply this lip gel If you like, you can just leave it matte, but I'm going some glow. Okay. After that, I'm going to set my face with this Morphe setting spray.